What's up, BB Gang? It's your boy Javon.
It's your girl Shavon.
And we are back with another video, man. Vlogmas Day
6.
Yeah, guys, Vlogmas Day 6, man. As you guys see, coming to you guys with another video. Something that I never did before. You did this before?
No. I don't think I've ever done.
Okay, she did it before. Something, I don't know. She just probably don't remember. I never did this before. As you guys can see by the title, by the thumbnail, by what's in front of you. We're going to be doing the gingerbread house. Making a gingerbread house.
Girlfriend versus boyfriend gingerbread house. Who looks the best?
It's going to be pretty interesting, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But, before going into make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and
hit the notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video.
And comment. You want them on there?
Okay, so we have a gingerbread house. We both have our own gingerbread house because he was like, let's just get one and just decorate. I'm like, no, because I don't want mine to look like trash.
Wait. You trying to say much of a little trash?
Your stuff gonna look like trash. Mine gonna look the best.
Okay.
Say less. And we also got some extra icings because it only comes with one ice and then it's white. But we want like some other stuff. But this is like sparkling gel, just like decorated and stuff like that. This is what this is. We have red, we have white, and we have like some green sprinkles. We also got all this stuff from Target. They didn't have a green one, so we just got green sparkles and stuff like that. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get straight into this video. So just do not peel any stretches off if you need them. Okay, never mind.
Oh, you open it. What the frick? You can eat this, right?
Yeah, you can eat this gingerbread. Okay.
This is very interesting right here. Bro, this is actual food.
Yeah.
This is actual food.
It's candy, babe. All this is candy and crackers.
Oh, this is a lot of icing, bro. What you mean?
It is. It's to stick the stuff together and stuff.
It's a lot of icing, bro.
Okay, guys. So everything that we got in our box is we have the gingerbread house right here. We also.
I don't know what hurt, but I'm gonna keep this right here so I can see how my house look.
Really big?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do the same thing, but I'm gonna add my own little stuff too.
What you gotta follow me for?
Because we're the same person. And we got white ice, and this is the border to make the top of the house, the roof. So we just peel this part out right here, and whenever we're done making the house, we just stick it on there and then we build the roof. Okay, so we have the little roof builder template right here. We have gingerbread house. We also have the icing, the little white icing that's going to hold the house together, and we have like some little mini candies. All right, so babe, you ready?
Oh, I'm trying to process all I'm gonna do this crap.
This is so cool. I never built a gingerbread house before. This is the front door, and I'm guessing this is the back door. Don't eat it, fool. Don't eat it yet. And these are, what pieces are these? Okay, so we have the front door.
What is this? I'm
guessing the windows here. And this is like the little chimney. The little chimney. No, this is not the chimney part. What part is this? Oh, is this the door part? Okay, I'm confused. What is this?
Shit, I've been confused before I open this box.
Oh, this is the chimney part right here. This is the chimney part. The little piece. And this is the roof. This will be the roof here.
Bro, I caught my joint, bro. When I say I'm lost, bro.
Alright, so I'm about ready. I think I'm ready. Okay, arrange house pieces face down. Shit. Okay, this is the side parts here. And this part. Man, why didn't you use your box?
What box? We supposed to do this too?
Yeah, so
this part of the house?
No, babe. Put it down on it like that, I guess.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Shit. I'm following you, bro.
Wait, let me do it like this actually. Okay. So we're gonna put this part first.
Bro, this shit complicated as hell.
I'm confused, kinda. Okay, so we're gonna put it like this. Like this. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first.
Bro, I know what I'm doing, bro.
I'm going to put ice in here.
Oh, I know what I'm doing. Oh yeah, I see. I think I see now. Yeah. So these go right here. Yeah, these are side windows. These go right here. You know? These go right here.
Yeah, babe.
I seen a picture right here.
I see it too.
Oh shit. How am I doing this with one hand?
You got it.
So I gotta do is like this, huh? Yeah, like this. Yeah, like this. More, man. I do this, I know, man. I do the same thing what y'all do. I feel like you. I feel like you. Let's go, let's go.
Okay. We got that layer first. And then the bottom.
Oh, shit.
What you doing, babe?
My shit messing up. Bro, all yours look so perfect. Oh, crap. I'm so messing up.
Babe, you're not supposed to put it on the top part yet.
What you mean? Oh, my God, bro. Bro, I'm gonna stop following you. Bro, I'm gonna do my own thing, bro.
Babe, I'm doing that part.
Forget you stupid, bro. You making me mess up, bro.
I didn't even do the top part.
Nigga, whatever, bro. I'm doing my own thing, bro. Whatever, bro.
Whatever, bro.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see if it'll stick.
Wait, what? It's oh, this the bottom part for it?
Huh?
This the base?
What? No, babe, that's a roof.
Oh, this a roof. Oh, my stupid ass.
There's no base.
I'm doing my own thing, bro. I ain't following you, bro.
Don't follow me then.
Bro, I'm messing up mine, bro.
Babe, follow the picture.
Bro, I'm not following nothing. I'm doing my own thing.
Okay,
Don't worry about me, bro.
Go ahead, then.
Don't worry about me, bro.
Go ahead, boo. Oh! My house has fallen. I repeat, my house has fallen. Oh! Babe, you is so heavy-handed. Ooh, y'all, look at his house. Are you done? Baby, are you done? Babe, you broke it. Damn, this shit is not sticking at all.
What are you laughing for?
You.
Don't worry about my thing, bro. I got it, bro.
You got it.
I got it, bro. I know I'm doing, bro. I got it, bro. Bro, this thing not sticking on my. This not stick. It not stick. Box size stick. Stay on stick. How much icing in your arm, man?
Man, you gonna use up the whole ice in that. Oh, that woo. Bro, you hilarious, bro.
Bro, my stuff is not sticking, bro.
It's not stick.
It's not sticking, bro. Leave me alone, bro.
Oh my gosh, babe.
Bro, why is it not attached? Am I missing another piece, bro?
Bro,
do your thing, bro.
I'm trying to help you.
I'm good, bro. I need your help, bro.
Okay.
Do your thing, bro.
Okay.
God, don't worry about me, bro.
Remember you said that.
Shit, leave me alone, bro.
Remember you said that, okay?
Bro, I know what I'm doing, bro.
Okay.
This shit fall, I'm done.
Stop, you gonna make mine fall.
You ain't worrying about you, bro. You worrying about me. Shit, I'll be on the icing and them done.
I should have brought an extra pack.
Get on there, bro. Get on there, bro. Oh, shit. My shit lean, though. Move it, bumbo.
Okay, I'm trying to help you.
Don't touch nothing. Don't touch nothing.
Okay.
Don't touch nothing. So this goes so. Let me see if I go on this one. Wait, man, I missed something. Is that church? I'm building. I'm building that church.
Babe, do it sideways.
Sideways?
Like that, baby.
This all saying sideways, my nigga, this shit. Oh, my bad.
Bro, you was hilarious. Okay, now.
Hey, man, look at him, man. Stand up, bro, G. Stand up, man. Stand up, please, dude. Listen, sideways.
Babe, stop. I'm trying to build my house.
Bro, you worried about me? I'm not worried about you. Do your thing, bro.
I'm trying to build my house.
You worried about me? You keep helping me for. I know what I'm doing, bro.
Oh, okay.
Bro, I got to put you around.
All right. Yeah, that's what you gotta do, babe.
Bro, why is he following the thing? No, stay. Make sure this right, you know. Think I say if you go do this. Look at this. That's why you laughing?
Babe.
What?
I cannot take you serious.
Bro, is this your house or my house?
Okay, go ahead.
Damn.
Go ahead.
Yeah, it's off, bro. It's missing, bro.
That's dripping.
Boom, boy, Claude. Who can talk to me now? No. Bro, what y'all laughing for? What you smiling for?
Cause.
Bro, this ain't sticking up here, bro. This ain't gonna work, bro. Box said, nothing I'm nervous about yourself. Bro, that's a brother. I'm back here now. Problem, you know. Let me say a problem. You can see me? Problem, you know, no man. Let me say problem, you know. I need some more on this side. Need some more. Need some more on this side. Boy. Look. Yo, my butt. My thing butt. No! What y'all do? Some more ice now.
Man, you gotta hold it in place. Stop putting all that damn ice in. Look at that stuff. Well, I already know mine's one. Just off the building process.
Bro, don't worry about the outside, bro. Worry about us in the inside.
Okay, good.
I ain't got no patience for that one, you know. Don't fall. Don't shake your table, okay?
Okay. You don't shake the table.
Alright, do this side. Bro, why am I thinking like that?
What the fuck? This damn roof is breaking everything. I need some super glue.
No. This ain't not working. Not working at all.
Okay. This right here is not.
Who can talk to me? Ain't that like swimwear? Put down, go over yourself. Yeah. Bro, is there something wrong with you, bro?
You.
Like, what you worrying about me for?
Cause you was hilarious.
Worry about your own thing.
You was hilarious.
I'm Gucci, boy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. On that bad boy. You know what? This is what I'm gonna do. Hey, you know this for me. This is what I'm gonna do. No, come back on this one. Come back. Yes, sir. Woo. Wow.
I was about to do the same thing. I was for real. No lie. Okay. I was big.
Yes, sir.
Oh, it's separating.
My shit good. Don't worry about me. Don't worry about me. My shit good, nigga. Don't worry about me. You over here saying my I got that icing in. My shit's sticking.
Shut up. I feel like this is gonna mess it up.
Bro, what the hell this shit do?
Wait, where my piece at? Babe, you took it? Babe, where's mine? Give me my... You took it? I knew you did. I was like, hold up now. I know I'm missing... Why I gotta be icing all over it though? Yeah, I feel like I gotta go on this side.
However me tell you for go for it, that's how you gonna stay on. You gonna feel me?
You don't feel me?
Hand up! Hand up, boy! Yo! Whoa! Reconstruction. Yo, my thing I broke up. Hold on, that broke up.
That broke up.
Yo, this not fair, bro. What am I saying? Something man, house, man. Yo, my roof now stick, dog. What if hurricane come and blow down something?
Okay.
What? Mother road. Yeah. God. Why this not stick, dog? This not stick at all for me. Put on extra thing on you stick. What is that?
You gotta break those pieces off.
So where you go?
We're gonna go at the top of this part.
Oh, for the house, the little house that's up.
Yeah.
Oh, so how you build the door then?
This is the door.
Oh, no. Yo, why me think I broke up some of you? What? Look how my house is sinking. Look how my house is sinking in my big. This doesn't make no sense. What, you just broke it?
Oh shit, it's lifted up. This lifted this thing up. I knew this shit wasn't gonna be good. Okay.
Ooh. So what am I do with this now? What am I do with this now? Just like this?
But put it on the thing first. Ah shit.
Oh, this on my wedding with them, right? You over there start trying to make your house look too pretty. Not me. Come on, I bag no man? Yo, my house I broke up, man. I like you. My house I broke up very fair. My house I broke up very fair. Yeah. Touch, I know man. What am I say? Lord, nah, touch up. Put on one more and then that's it. Put something else.
Your chimney falling, babe.
No watch that, man. No watch that. No watch that. Watch your, just watch your house. No watch mine.
Okay, babe.
Yeah, man. You have to know this, you know. You have to know, right, so. Yeah, man, right, so you have to know. Right, so you have to know. So, yeah, you like, you eat that. So I know. This, yeah. You can't eat this? Mother free. Over here, sir. Oh, they look upon the grown. They look upon the grown. One on there. I know Mary, man. I know Mary. Bro, why you watching me, bro?
Babe, you was hilarious, bro. I swear.
How you been this house now? What is this? What is?
Babe, wait. Hold on, let me do this part first. Okay, what's what?
This, what is?
That's just, you make an extra door if you want to.
Oh, you want to put it in there?
Huh?
You look up on the roof? Yeah, on the roof, there we go. Right there so you all stay. Mwah. You got to yes, sir. Mwah. You got to yes, sir. Mwah. Yo, don't fall on me, brother. Benjamin. Turn them on. Just turn them, brother. Work with me now. Yeah, you have laughing gas today?
Babe, shut up.
Bro, I ain't got no ice cream left, bro. My house Gucci. Oh, you can do it open that, so okay. Okay. Mad.
Shit.
Yo, this is not sticking up. I'm going to show you this. This I need 2 doors in my front door. This not stick. It not work. It does not work. No! Me bum pity roll. Me push you inside door. Look here. My side door pushing. Me think I'm sinking in our house. My goodness.
Okay guys, we're gonna come back whenever the houses are done because this video is gonna be an hour long for real, and our battery is about to die. So we'll be right back after this house is done. Alright guys, we filmed a little bit of the rest off camera, mainly because this video is gonna be super duper long. Like, I'm talking about 2 hours long. So this is the finished product we have. Look at Babes. Babe, turn to the side so they can see. His shit caved in. This is mine. Alright guys, so our camera turned off, so we're actually gonna end the video right here. We're done. This is Babe's house. I don't know if y'all seen that, but that's Babe's house right there. Look, go ahead.
Bro, my thing all tumbled over, bro.
This is my house. It's okay, I'm still decorating it a little bit, but yeah guys, this is our first gingerbread house we ever made. This is my first gingerbread house I ever made, so it was kind of fun, y'all. His reaction was the best. Like, it's, oh my gosh. But yeah guys, we're gonna end this video right here, so give us a like. Also comment in the comment section below if y'all like this video and what y'all want to see from us during Vlogmas. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time we post a video. And babe, what do you have to say about your experience making a gingerbread house for the first time?
Pretty good.
It's pretty good. I think this was fun.
I made a couple mistakes.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, I know my thing looked messy, but I didn't put any icing in the bottom.
To stick it.
To stick it, and then it just tumbled.
So yeah guys, we're gonna end this video here. Stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 7. Yes, stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 7 and the other Vlogmas days that's about to come. We love you. We hope you stick with us through this journey. And yeah guys, we'll see y'all in the next vlog. Peace.